Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The room's kind of a mess right now, so I'm going to take you with me while I organize my makeup. Now, I thought that this would be a good idea to film because I just thought it would be helpful to kind of see how I organize mine, so that way maybe it would be helpful to those of you that are looking to maybe reorganize yours, or definitely like my makeup has accumulated over the years, so the storage that I once used for my makeup totally is just too small now, and I had to kind of reorganize how I'm organizing it because my makeup collection has grown. Now, I do have a makeup decluttering video. I actually have two of them. One is my face products and another one is like my eye and lip products. So I will link those below if you want to see how I decluttered them, and I kind of like, I donated some makeup and I threw out a lot of makeup that was just too old and I never used. So if you want to see those, they will be linked below. And now that I decluttered them, it left a ton of room in my drawers. It allowed me to reorganize my makeup. So now that I got rid of a lot, I'm totally gonna like revamp the inside of my vanity and be able to reorganize it. So let me show you what I have going on right now. What I did is I completely took the makeup out of these drawers and I laid it on the floor here, so it totally looks like a mess, but it's actually organized. So over here I have my bronzers, my setting powders, my sponges, concealers, I have highlighting palettes and all my highlighters. I have setting powders and primers. Foundations I did leave in the bin just because I'll probably leave them in there just because of the amount of them. I have lip products, and then I also have lip products in here, which was on top of my vanity. I don't know if I'm going to keep that yet. I haven't decided. I feel like I kind of want it in the drawers to keep the top of my vanity. I kind of want to keep this like clear of as much as I can, but I don't know. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to probably wait and see how much room I have in the drawers. These are new products that have not been opened yet. These are all eye products, lashes and stuff, eyebrows, blushes, and yes, that's it. And then over here is all the containers that I used to organize them in. Now, as you can see, I have a ton of highlighters. What I used to store my highlighters in was a section in here. Literally, like just this. So, obviously my highlighters have grown. I did have liners in my vanity drawers, these liners here. These are like just cheap liners, but I threw them out because every time I would like open my drawer, it would just slide around and it literally defeated the purpose of it. So got rid of them. I'm just gonna start clean and fresh. I did just wipe down the inside of these, and I wiped down all of these as well. So now I'm gonna figure out how to tackle and organize all of this.
I need you, I want you every day of my life. 'Cause I need you, and I want you every day of my life. I need you, I want you every day of my life. 'Cause I need you, and I want you every day of my life.
After like, I don't even know how long I've been at this, but I'm pretty sure it's like 2 hours, but I think I am finally finished organizing my makeup. It's not 100%, but I definitely feel a lot better with the way that it is right now. Let me show you the first drawer. It is all my eye products. One downfall of these drawers is that the drawer does not open all the way. So there's always a lot of things that kind of get like tucked in the back that you can't really get to. But with this is just an ice cube tray, and I didn't fully use it anyway, so it actually worked out by me putting it back like this, because the back pieces are not even filled because I don't have enough products to put in there that fit, or there's a couple of these products here that are a little bit too big, so I can kind of get away with keeping them in the back and not worrying about that. So I put like my eye things that fit in here in the ice cube tray, and then I have this like random Z palette that I actually like reach to a lot, so I kind of just like stuck that there. I have all my eyebrow products here. These are just like some tools, like my eyelash curler, tape, tweezers, that kind of stuff. I have like my mascara here, my Inglot, I just kind of threw in here as well. And then here is all my like miscellaneous eye products. So I have like the Steel liquid shadows, I have a lot of other like Moon Dust liquid shadows, shadow sticks, and like eye glitter. So a couple like random things, but these were all over in this drawer, and I never ever reached for it because all my makeup I tried to keep on this, in this set of drawers, so I never reached for it. So I'm happy that I was able to kind of like combine all my eye products, because I think I'll get more use out of them now. So I have this, and then these are all my eyeliners. The next drawer is my lip products. Guys, I'm sure you saw me, like, I stopped recording the time lapse at one point because I was like, this is just ridiculous, like, this is taking so long. I cannot figure out a system for this at all. I wasn't able to take them out of this because I just don't even know how to organize, like, the big lipsticks at all. So that's okay. I kind of reached for this anyway a lot, so I'll just keep this on top of my vanity. And then what I have, how I did this in here is I actually cut this. So this was really long. When I worked at Ulta years ago, this was the insert that was used for these, for like the Nivea chapsticks. And we didn't need it anymore, and I got permission, and I was able to take this home, but it was just too big, and since it does fit only like minis, I really didn't even use like half of it. So I chopped off a lot of that, was able to cut that off. So that left me a lot of room. So I have like all my lip liners in here. Most of my lip liners I actually keep in my makeup kit though, so I don't have a lot to keep in here. And then I have this lipstick container here, which I don't know where I got, but I really like this. But again, like all lipsticks are different sizes, and it's a pain in the butt to like put away. So I filled up what I can. And then I have a lot of miscellaneous things, which I put in these drawers. Like these are chapsticks, like lip oils, and then whatever I could kind of fit in here. And then these are like the bigger lipsticks that don't really fit in anything because they're so long. And then I keep alcohol to clean off the lipstick. And then these are the most annoying things in the world. Like, who makes eyeshadow palettes that are like awkward sizes and so little? But of course I kept them. So these are just like random eyeshadow mini palettes that I wanted to put in here. And then the only thing I have in the back is the Ish Beauty lip palette, which I have one in my kit, and this is an extra one, so I just kind of threw this in the back. My next drawer I am so happy about because I have needed to reorganize this for so long now. I finally found something that fits my highlighters perfectly. So I have all my highlighters here, and then this little section is just like mini highlighters that didn't, you know, fit in here or anything. But I finally have all my highlighters together and perfect. And then I have my bronzers here, face powders, concealers, sponges, and then this is like just random little powders and stuff. And then in the back I have a couple more palettes, but I was able to fit more here, which I'm happy about because before these palettes were kind of just like shoved in the back, and I really didn't reach for them because I didn't think to, because they were all the way in the back. So really happy with the way that this drawer turned out. And the next drawer I kind of like kept the exact same. So foundations I just kind of keep in this big bin. Primers and sprays I keep in this other little bin. And then the only thing I did here is kind of just reorganize how my blushes were. But either way, they just, you see, they all roll around. So it's a lot better. And then here to kind of like put everything, kind of like clump it all together, I just have an extra setting spray and Professional. And this drawer I didn't even touch. These are just my eyeshadow palettes. I really didn't need to touch them. Next, I have to tackle these drawers, which is all, oh god. These are like my skincare products. So I'm happy that I have at least this drawer open now, So hopefully I'll be able to organize these things. This drawer I kind of just like leave as is. This is like my hairbrush, makeup wipes, so I don't really touch this drawer. That'll probably stay the same. I'll have to put the eyelashes over here, which is fine. I don't really use eyelashes on myself anyway, so we'll just kind of throw them in there. And then I think what I'm going to try and do is put like anything that's boxed and not open yet, I'm probably going to put up here with the lashes. What I did here is the same thing that I did for the makeup, but now with my skincare. So over here are my oils. I have makeup removers, serums, toners. This is hair stuff, tanning stuff, miscellaneous, lotions, or no, I'm sorry, face washes. These are all like face cleansers. These are all moisturizers. That little bit is neck cream, eye cream. These are my brushes that I don't keep out of my vanity. These are like extra brushes. Hair stuff, and then this is just like my brush cleaner. So as you can see, I have a lot of like miscellaneous stuff. Like this bottom drawer and the second drawer here were literally like just filled completely. Like I had just thrown stuff in there and nothing made sense. I started to organize. So how I did this was, these products here are all my extras that, these are my makeup products that I haven't opened yet. Like they're brand new. So I just threw them over here to get them out of the way over there. And then I have my eyelash stuff here, which I kind of just like tucked in the back because, like I said, I don't do lashes on myself really, just for like special occasions. These are like my prescription creams, so I kind of just put them back here because I don't really need them at the moment. These two are actually this. So I have a ton of these Philosophy Take a Breath moisturizers. I literally have this one, a brand new one, and then these two are also brand new. There's two back there, not even open yet. The seal is still on them. So I literally have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. It's insane. And then I just have like some box things that I haven't opened yet. These are like kind of the bigger, bulkier things to get them out of the way. So I do have some extra space, which I will finish filling. Here is the final result. So showed you guys a little bit of this drawer already. I just added some bigger products here in the middle that were just taking up a lot of space. This drawer, oh, it's so satisfying to me. So I have over here on this side, up here is all my face moisturizers. So I have face moisturizers here, and then the bigger face moisturizers right behind it. And then in this little tiny bin here, I have eye creams, and then this is eye makeup remover. Oh, hello. Hi. I kind of need this. Stop, you're in my way. Thank you. Thank you. You're funny. I have 3 of these guys. These are my favorite makeup removers ever, besides like Neutrogena wipes. I love these. And then I kind of combined the serums and toners because they're pretty similar anyway. But that's what I put right in this little middle bin. Oils in this bin, and then I kind of just threw in the leftover areas over here is all face washes, gels or foams or exfoliants, like anything, any face wash is here. And then in this little bin is also face wash, but these are kind of like my minis, or like if I had a sample or anything like that. These are all like where I kept the smaller face moisturizer or face washes. So I did throw out a couple things, not too much, but if it was like expired or I just knew I wasn't going to use it, I threw it out. In this one, this is like my hair products here, random Q-tips, but these are like what I put in my travel bags, and right now my travel bag is full with stuff already, so I just kind of left it here. And then this was my miscellaneous bin, so I have like little mini perfumes here, my Mario Badescu drying cream. I have some tanning stuff in this black bin, but for the most part, this is honestly like miscellaneous stuff, like hand creams, perfume, hand sanitizer, body lotion, like just a ton of extra things here. In the last bin, nothing special. I just have brush cleaner, some cotton pads. This is all hair stuff. So I have like hair ties, hair rubber bands, bobby pins. That's all like in the back because I really don't use that stuff a lot. Like I have hair ties and headbands and all that already like accessible where I need them. So these are kind of just like extras. This is that bin I showed you that has all my extra makeup brushes that I don't keep out on my vanity. And then these are 2 towels. I always keep 2 towels handy for me. They're not like nice towels or anything. They're honestly like all stained and everything. I always keep this handy though so I can clean my makeup brushes as I need to and they're ready to go. When I do people's makeup, like I always bring a towel to just like lay out on the table so I don't get their area all messy. So I always like to just have 2 of them available ready for me. So that's all that's there. And then again, just like brush cleaner and all that kind of stuff. But this is so overdue, so I am like so happy with this. I'm glad I was able to clean out this drawer, so I have had a whole nother drawer of space. But this is like my most proud drawer right here. If that video was helpful, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hopefully it inspired you or motivated you to maybe clean out your makeup and totally reorganize it. And hopefully you got some ideas of how you could possibly organize your products. I did get most of my clear bins from the Container Store, or I did get some of them just at like Target or something, but for the most part I got them at the Container Store. So hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if it was. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe if you liked this video, if you liked the makeup video, so I know to make more. And don't forget to leave your comments below if you have any questions, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.